Hello everyone, there is a confusion regarding the LLB fourth semester intellectual property right question paper pattern. So in this video there is a quick revision of fourth semester LLB question paper of annual examination 2022 intellectual property law LB 4030. Okay. So everyone knows that 3 hours 100 marks and you have to choose either Hindi or English and you have to write throughout the paper either in English or Hindi. Okay, so the crux of this video is this sentence: answer 5 questions selecting at least one question from each part. All questions carry equal marks. Here they mention each part and one question from each part. There is part A and part B. So there will be two part A and part B. Mainly part B consists GI and design, and part A the remaining syllabus. Okay, like trademark, copyright, and so on. We'll also review the syllabus of the IPR one. So be with me. Okay, now got the answer of the question regarding the pattern. There will be two part A and part B, and you have to attempt one question from each part. Okay, one question from each part. Okay, now come to the question one by one. Here you can see the part A. Okay, discuss with the relevant legal provision and judicial precedents the reason for the possibility of registration of the following marks. Okay, there are 4 marks given: Banaras for cloth, taste of artificial strawberries for medicines, Bharat for pants, Checkmon for cosmetics. Okay, now come to the syllabus from which part this question covered. This is the syllabus of intellectual property law of Delhi University Faculty of Law. This is the latest syllabus. Okay, here the introduction to the IPR. Just come to the pattern part 2, trademark. Okay, definition of mark in section 2(1)(m). Okay, and the registration of trademark. Here you have to read section 18 to 23 for the registration of trademark, and the ground of refusal of trademark given in 9 and 11, section 11. Okay, so this section is based on the. Now come to the question paper. Okay, question paper second. Indian Private Limited is a manufacturer of airs, brushes, and airs accessories with its registered trademark flight term since 1990. Bharat Private Limited, another company, started using My 10 and its trademark for airs, pens, and clips since April 2000. The Indian Private Limited wants to file a case starting deceptive similarity Here the word mentioned deceptive similarity. Okay, between the two marks will they succeed? Okay, decide the referring the relevant provision of the of top and decided the case with the consent region. What factor we consider for determining the deceptive similarity between the two marks if flight jam is not a registered trademark? Support your assertion with case laws. So this question is based on the deceptive similarity. Okay, the relevant provision in trademark also given. You have to look at the bare act of trademark. You can find your answer. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 3. Mr. X was a leading manufacturer and supplier of incense sticks and other allied since 1948. It held several trademarks, of which the mark cycle was in dispute. In this case, Mr. X claimed that this mark was immensely popular and owing to its wide turnover, extensive sales, and promotional activities. The trademark cycle was famous among Indians, whereas Mr. Y in the year 2022 applied for the registration of trademark cycle for eligible IN. Mr. X opposed the registration on the ground that proposed marks of Mr. Y intended to cause unwarranted confusion and deception among the public. Mr. Y made a counterclaim before the registrar that the mark cycle was a common household name and the plaintiff only has reputation regarding the goods relating to the essence stick. On the basis of decided case and relevant legal provision which is mentioned in our bare act of trademark, decide what you would do as a register of trademark. If you are a registrar of trademark, then what will we do if you have this question? Will your decision vary if circle is well-known trademark? Now you have to define also well-known trademark in your answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. A. A renowned company of dairy product in India, its famous kulfi Anmol. The taste of India is one of the most popular product among the children and youngsters. Be its competitor in the market and aired a commercial showcasing that its ice cream is better as it is the only one made with pure milk, while other is the market are not. The advertisement also carried with it a tagline Unmold, the better and healthcare taste of India. A question on the given problem. Appropriate you advise your client with the help of relevant provision of trademark. 1999, citing the important case law. So sometime you have to decide as a registrar, sometime you have to decide as an advocate, legal advisor. Okay. Now come to the part B of the question 4. Nerolac is a registered trademark of the Nerolac Plant Limited. Niru, a interior designer, started using the trademark Nerolac Home Solution for providing service of designing homes and offices. Nerolac Paint Limited sues Niru for the trademark infringement. This is question based on infringement of trademark. Okay. You are required to state legal argument from both sides citing the relevant provision. So यहाँ पर relevant provision लिखने की बात हो रही है, but you have to write the your according to you question laws also. Okay, come to the question paper, question number 5. Okay, question 5. Recently the BMW launched its futuristic concept electric scooter in Indian market. The scooter has a complete build up unit routes. The company advised its customer to buy only genuine product and accessories for the better performance. Okay, of its registered trademark. Sorry, of Mohanlal and Sons. Company recommended genuine product of Mohanlal and Sons. Okay, so performance, and is a Delhi-based company manufacturing seat and body covers for vehicle. He recently published an advertisement with the tagline "Seat and body covers specially designed for BMW electronic scooter at an affordable price." The truth is, seat and body covers are common to all vehicles of the same size and shape. BMW objected to the use of its registered trademark in the said print ad. They approached you to file a suit against Mohanlal and Sons. Advise your client citing the relevant case laws. Okay. So now move to the next question. Question number 6, which is under part B. Now part B will start. So in part there are 5 questions, and part B there are 3 questions. So in this year 2023 also there will be 2 parts, part A and part B. As per previous pattern I am talking about, part A and part B, and part B A consist 5 questions and part B will consist 3 questions. So you can choose your perfection, and you have to also attend one question from each part. Okay, so you may attend 4 questions from first part and 1 question from second part, and 3 questions from second part and 2 questions from first part. It depends upon you, but 1 question from each part is mandatory. Okay, now it's clear. So let's quick review of the part B. This is question based on the geographical indication. You can see what is the geographical indication and what are the its function. Briefly outline the procedure for the registration of GI. Also state the ground of refusal of registration of GI. Explain how registered GI benefit local pollution. Sorry, populations. Okay, so let's see the syllabus for the GI. Okay. this 7 you can exclude. Okay, now come geographical indication. Here the definition given in section 2E, indication to G, goods to F. So kinds of geographical indication and registration is necessary. Registration is various crucial for the GI topic. And what is the procedure of registration given in section 3 to 8 and section 11 and to 17? Grounds of refusal of GI registration is also section 9. Okay. Just 1 minute, guys. We are at GI. तो GI का रजिस्ट्रेशन में रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला पार्ट बहुत नेसेसरी है। रजिस्ट्रेशन का प्रोविजन दे रखा है 3 से 8, 11 to 17. रिफ्यूजल रजिस्ट्रेशन एज गिवन इन क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी। रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ होमोनीमस ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं लग रहा है। ड्यूरेशन ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन रिन्यूअल ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, आप क्वेश्चन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। इन्फ्रिंजमेंट के केस में क्या होगा ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, ठीक है। अलाउइंग ऑफ यूज रजिस्टर्ड ट्रेडमार्क ऑथराइजेशन ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। कंफ्लिक्ट ऑफ जीआई विद द ट्रेडमार्क ये भी इम्पोर्टेंट है, हम आपको बताएंगे क्यों, इस क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है। तो जीआई से वेरी क्रूशियल पार्ट ऑफ द सिलेबस of intellectual property right, you have to look at these provision at least for this section GI. Okay, now come to the another part, industrial design. इससे भी क्वेश्चन पूछ रखा है, industrial design action. Now come to the question paper, then come back, then we will come back to the syllabus. Okay, सो जीआई से इतने सारे क्वेश्चन बना के पूछ रहे हैं। व्हाट इज द जीआई, आपको जीआई बताना है, उसका इसका फंक्शन क्या है, उसका आउटलाइन ऑफ प्रोसीजर फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन ये आपको बता दिया 3 से 8 और 11 से 17 सेक्शन। एंड स्टैंड्स ऑफ ग्राउंड्स फॉर रिफ्यूजल ऑफ जीआई सेक्शन 9। ओके, एंड एक्सप्लेन हाउ रजिस्टर्ड जीआई बेनिफिट टू द लोकल पॉपुलेशन। अगर जीआई का रजिस्ट्रेशन हो जाता है तो पॉपुलेशन के लिए क्या बेनिफिशियल है, ये कैसे बेनिफिशियल है, ये भी थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना है। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट इज एन इंडस्ट्रियल डिज़ाइन? मिस्टर पीटर हैज़ डिजाइन्ड ए ट्रायंगल शेप्ड spectacle framers and wants to get registered under the GI Act 2000. State with the reference to question, provision, judicial decision, subject matter for registration of such design and grounds on which the design can be cancelled, and state the piracy provision in respect of registered design. इतने सारे अगर कर लेते हैं आप डिजाइन से, then डिजाइन से क्वेश्चन आई होप you will be able to attend. Okay, सो इसके जो रेलिवेंट प्रोविजन है सेक्शन 5 में दे रखा है, ठीक है। 2D में डिज़ाइन को डिफाइन कर रखा है, मैं डिज़ाइन एक जो है 2000 के अकॉर्डिंग बात कर रहा हूँ। ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज द लास्ट वन। राइट द शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑफ ऑन एनी टू overlap of design and trademark, conflicting between design and with ट्रेडमार्क, इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट बता रहे थे सेक्शन 5 एंड सेक्शन 26 ऑफ जीआई आप पढ़ लेना, ये क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एब्यूज ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स थोड़ी सी इंटेलेक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है, तो इसका भी आप थोड़ा सा एनालिसिस करके पढ़ सकते हो। इतने कर लोगे then you will secure at least 60 plus question marks in GI, sorry, intellectual property right. Now at the end it's clear that there will be two parts, carriage part A and part B, and one question of from each part is mandatory. Okay, part A as per previous pattern, part A will consist 5 question, part B will consist 3 question, total 8 question. You have to attend 5 questions out of it. So I hope now it's clear everything. Thank you so much for this attending video, and all the best for your exam. Do well and secure 60 plus up to 70 at least. I'm talking about at least, not like the ceiling limit. Thank you so much.